welcome. Now we'll learn about sacrifice, what it means, and how to achieve our goals, how to be focused and disciplined, how to achieve super discipline, giving everything to win. You need to give everything to win. Okay, giving everything to win. Here are the things like nobody knows. Success is equal to sacrifice. Like you sacrifice on certain things to achieve one thing, the bigger goal. Okay, so you sacrifice instant gratifications for delayed gratifications for long-term goal. Okay, you can't have it all. Always remember this: you can't have it all. You have to sacrifice. If you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes sacrifice. Okay, what you want becomes sacrifice. Okay, so let's go to sacrifice, what it is. Giving everything to win. How bad do you want it? So it's like how badly you want it. Okay, people often talk a big game, say they are hungry. Okay, and as soon as you get them to sacrifice things, they care about, they reveal their true character, their true priorities. Okay, so sacrifice fuels the fire. Every time you sacrifice something, it's like taking that thing, all of your thoughts about it, all of your time spent on it, and throwing it on fire. The energy from that thing makes the fire burn brighter. Okay? You have to sacrifice as a fuel for the fire. When winners sell their soul, study the gods great of all times. Gods are great of all times. So let's see what they sacrifice to win. See all the great people. If you check Leonardo da Vinci, Steve Jobs, Edison, Einstein, all these people, they have sacrificed certain things for their principles, for their goal, for their vision, and they have achieved the success. They give up everything. They dedicated their entire being to that goal, that principle, that vision, their entire existence to the relentless pursuit of the goal. They are always pushing towards that goal, acting, living reality to achieve that goal. So that is the winners always give everything to the goal. Me, the one, I also gave up social life. I left my country. I didn't drink or party. I don't have hobbies or friends. I have dedicated its full intensity to my work. Every dollar I have is invested. I am all in. So when you're all in, every minute, so what happens that you start getting results. 100 units of time. This is powerful exercise I do monthly to see where my time goes, how it works. For 7 days, track what you do every 30 minutes. Okay, and then set an alarm by writing it down. Journal at the end of 7 days. Categorize activities into the brackets and then calculate how much time went into that each bucket. Okay. Then sacrifice every activity that isn't related to your goal. As I've already mentioned, you should not do all those activities which are not related to your goal. Eliminate it completely. Don't care about your feelings. If you want to win, you will get rid of it. If you want to hang on to your little, do it. Just know it will cost you everything. So you need to sacrifice for bigger goal. Okay, but I can't. I can hear you saying it like already that it is bullshit, you can't just get rid of it and all the things you might say, but you just don't want to, and you are just scared. You have to create, you have created lie in your head. Okay, this is necessary that your business, you need it, you don't need other things. You have to sacrifice, you have to choose one thing. You cannot have all. Okay, basic needs should be fulfilled. First, you need to fulfill the basic needs of daily life, like basic need of sleep, exercise, meditation, prayer, a loving relationship. Without these things, your limbic system will play havoc with you and harm you with your focus. So you will spend less time through. So you need to first fulfill the basic needs of your life, then you need to work relentlessly for your vision and long-term goal. Okay, so let us go to the other chapter, which is focus. So we'll learn in focus like how to focus, how to have super discipline, monk like discipline in life, so that we can achieve any goal. Thank you so much. Kindly write in the comment section what have you learned, how you're going to apply, rate us on Trustpilot, give a 5-star review. Thank you so much.